The target is not pure gold, but ore. Metallic gold is locked within tons of host rock, often visible only as minute particles or...
The sludge is dried and preheated. This removes moisture and prepares the material for the intense heat of the smelting furnace. A final spectral analysis acts as a quality gate. The gold's purity is confirmed instantly. Improved bars are palletized by robots. They are stacked into secure, standardized loads for transport to high-security vaults.
This is the origin. Deep within the Earth's crust, gold ore lies embedded in rock, awaiting extraction on an industrial scale. The target is not pure gold, but ore. Metallic gold is locked within tons of host rock, often visible only as minute particles or... Precision drilling prepares the ore for liberation. Deep blast holes are strategically placed to fracture the rock efficiently for removal.
Contained blasting fractures thousands of tons of ore-bearing rock. This is the primary breakage, freeing the gold host rock from the Earth's grip.
The fragmented ore is hauled from the pit. Each truckload represents the first concentrated movement of raw material toward the processing plant.
Primary crushing begins. This massive machine reduces house-sized boulders into smaller, manageable pieces, starting the process of liberating the gold.
A conveyor network transports the ore. This automated system moves the raw material steadily toward the next.
Grinding mills reduce the ore to a fine powder. Here, steel balls crush the rock, liberating gold particles from their host matrix. Grinding mills reduce the ore to a fine powder. Here, steel balls crush the rock, liberating gold particles from their host matrix.
The slurry is thickened. Water content is carefully adjusted here, preparing the ground ore for the critical chemical leaching process.
The prepared ore slurry now stands ready. The industrial chemical process to extract pure gold is poised to begin within the refinery.
The leaching process begins. A dilute chemical solution percolates through the ore, dissolving microscopic gold particles into a liquid form.
The gold-laden solution is collected. This pregnant leachate contains the dissolved gold, now separated from the billions of tons of worthless rock. The solution passes through activated carbon columns. The gold molecules adhere to the carbon, a process called adsorption.
The gold-loaded carbon is transferred. It moves to the elution circuit, where the precious metal will be stripped from the carbon surfaces. Elution begins. A hot chemical solution strips the gold from the carbon, creating a small volume of intensely rich... The gold solution enters the electrowinning cells. An electrical current plates the pure metallic gold directly onto the steel wool cathodes.
The cathodes are harvested. They are now coated with a sludge of nearly pure gold, the first solid metallic form in the refining process.
The sludge is dried and preheated. This removes moisture and prepares the material for the intense heat of the smelting furnace. Central AI governs the entire refining circuit. It continuously adjusts parameters for maximum efficiency.
Advanced molecular filtration polishes the solution. This step removes any remaining colloidal or submicron impurities invisible to standard filters.
Precipitation is robotically controlled. Dosing is exact, guaranteeing complete gold recovery and minimizing chemical usage. The gold powder is dried in a fluidized bed. This industrial method ensures uniform dryness and prevents the formation of any aggregates. The gold powder is transported pneumatically. This enclosed system moves the precious material in a pristine, dust-free environment. A final spectral analysis acts as a quality gate. The gold's purity is confirmed instantly.
Every batch is digitally tracked. From dissolution to casting, its entire refining history is recorded and traceable in real time. Melting under inert gas is critical. It prevents any oxidation, preserving the brilliant, flawless surface of the pure molten gold. Automated sensors monitor for final impurities. A robotic skimmer removes the last traces of slag, achieving metallurgical perfection.
Temperature is precisely managed during casting. Controlled solidification ensures the optimal crystalline structure for density and purity.
Smelting liquefies the gold. At extreme temperatures, the metal separates from remaining impurities, which rise to the surface as slag.
Impurities are removed as slag. This glassy byproduct is skimmed away, leaving behind a cleaner pool of molten gold.
The purified gold is poured. The molten metal is cast into a rough bar form, known as a D-bar.
The bar solidifies. As it cools, the gold contracts, its surface crystallizing into a characteristic rough texture. The bar is quenched. This rapid cooling in water cleans the surface and prepares it for the next stage of precise analytical sampling. A core sample is extracted. This piece will be meticulously analyzed to determine the bar's exact gold content and the nature of remaining impurities. The sample undergoes assay. Spectrometry provides a precise, part-per-million breakdown of all elements within the doré bar.
The doré bar is dissolved in aqua regia. This potent mixture converts the solid gold, along with silver and other metals.
The solution is filtered. Solid impurities and insoluble compounds are removed under pressure, leaving a purified gold-bearing liquid. Pure gold is chemically precipitated. A reducing agent is introduced, causing the gold to separate from the solution as a fine, brown powder. The gold powder is washed meticulously. Repeated rinsing with pure water removes all traces of process chemicals, isolating the precious metal. The powder is thoroughly dried. All moisture is removed in a controlled environment, preparing the gold for the final melting process. The gold powder is melted in an induction furnace. This method prevents contamination, creating a flawless pool. The gold is granulated. Pouring into water creates small, uniform granules, which provide a large surface area for the final refining step.
Electrolytic refining begins. An electrical current dissolves the gold anodes and plates 99.9.
Cathode. The pure gold harvested. This foil is 99.99% pure. The international standard.
The pure gold foil is melted under an inert atmosphere. This final melt ensures absolute purity before the gold is cast into its market form.
The pure gold is cast into bars. Heated molds ensure a smooth pour, resulting in flawless surfaces and precise dimensions.
The bars solidify. As they cool, their unique crystalline structure forms, a signature of high purity, cast gold.
The bars are released and quenched. This rapid cooling sets their structure and prepares them for finishing and inspection.
The bars undergo automated finishing. Surfaces are ground and brushed to achieve a standard, flawless texture and exact weight. Each bar is weighed with extreme precision. Weight must fall within an incredibly tight tolerance to meet international market standards.
Laser scanners verify dimensional perfection. Every bar must match exact specifications. Purity is confirmed by X-ray fluorescence. This non-destructive test provides the final, certified.
A laser permanently marks each bar. This inscription provides traceability and certifies its purity, weight, and origin.
Bars are ultrasonically cleaned. This removes any residue from engraving and handling, ensuring a chemically and physically pristine product.
Each bar is vacuum sealed. This protective packaging prevents tarnishing and contamination during storage and transit.
Random samples undergo a final manual audit. This human verification is the last checkpoint, ensuring every single bar meets all standards. Approved bars are palletized by robots. They are stacked into secure, standardized loads for transport to high-security vaults.
The pallet is secured and tagged. Steel strapping, seals, and electronic tracking ensure the integrity and location of the shipment are always known.
The gold enters final storage. Behind multi-ton vault doors, the refined gold awaits allocation to...
Here, the journey ends. Raw ore has been transformed into investment-grade gold, stored with maximum security.
The gold begins its secure journey. Under armed guard, it is transferred from the refinery's vault to specialized armored transport.
A high-security convoy transports the gold. This is the standard for moving high-value, refined precious metals.
At the depository, the shipment is formally received. Every seal and serial number is meticulously checked against the manifest under dual control. The gold is integrated into the vault's reserves. Each bar is physically stacked in its allocated location.
The inventory is updated electronically. Each bar's presence and location are now logged in the secure, global...
For international settlement, gold travels by air. Secure containers are loaded onto commercial freighters under strict protocols for global market delivery.
From central vaults, gold is allocated to wholesale markets. Smaller lots are delivered under high security to authorized dealers and refiners.
For jewelry, pure gold is alloyed. In industrial foundries, it's mixed with other metals to achieve the desired carat, color, and strength.
The alloy is rolled into sheets. Heavy industrial mills reduce it to precise thicknesses for use in rings, chains, and other jewelry components. Jewelry components are mass-produced.
Industrial stamping presses create hundreds of identical pieces per minute from the rolled gold sheets.
Components are assembled automatically. Machines like this one weave and solder hundreds of gold chains per hour with flawless consistency.
Pieces are polished in bulk. Rotary drums use mechanical and chemical action to achieve a perfect, uniform finish on thousands of items at once. For plating, an electrochemical process is used. Industrial vats apply layers of gold measured in microns to base metal items with precision.
Final assembly and detailing are done by laser. Robotic lasers provide flawless welding and engraving for high-volume, precision jewelry manufacturing.
Every piece undergoes ultrasonic cleaning. This industrial process ensures all production residues are removed, leaving a chemically clean finish. Automated vision systems perform final inspection. AI compares every item to a perfect standard, ensuring only flawless pieces proceed. Approved pieces are packaged automatically. The finished jewelry is sealed in its retail packaging within a secure, access-controlled environment.
At distribution centers, the gold jewelry is sorted for retail destinations. Automated systems route each item to the correct store or region.
The final link in the chain. The manufactured gold jewelry arrives under secure delivery at the retail point of sale, ready for the customer.
The cycle concludes. Here, the product of this vast industrial and artistic process.
The gold market never sleeps. Around the globe, around the clock, refined gold moves between financial centers to balance supply and demand.